Hello, this is Ben Shirk with Shirk Photography, and I want to show you a quick demo of my reflection action. With this action, it can make it very simple and easy to create a cool effect on your subjects. So for example, this extracted subject I have here, I would go to my actions palette and simply hit play on the reflection action. Once it's generated, I'd slide it down and match it up with the subject's feet, just like that. As simple and easy as that to create amazing reflections. With certain poses, some reflections may be a little bit more difficult, and there's a full tutorial included with the instant download that give you all kinds of tips and tricks to allow you to make your images look amazing. Hope you love it.